Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. We requested title is Secure Logging as a Service, Delegating Log Management to the Cloud. Small abstract. Securely maintaining log records over extended periods of time is very important to the proper functioning of any organization. Integrity of the log files and that of the logging process need to be ensured all at times. In addition, as log files often contain sensitive information, confidentiality and privacy of log records are equally important. However, deploying a secure logging infrastructure involves substantial capital expenses that many organizations may find overwhelming. Delegating log management to the cloud appears to be a viable cost-saving measure. In this paper, we identify the challenges for a secure cloud-based log management service and propose a framework for doing the same. And we have four actors in my project: log generator, log monitor, log client, and logging cloud. Log generator will generate log file and log generator log in by providing username and password, and log generator will generate log client and will provide the log client. And log monitor will monitor the log generator and log client and log files of the generator. And log client will get the file from the generator and he generate the tag for encrypting the file. And tag will be uploaded into a logging cloud, and cloud will be store the data based on the generator tag, and an encrypted file will be stored into a logging cloud, and logging cloud will transfer the data into a log client, and log client will decrypt the original message, and log client will retrieve the data from the logging cloud which is stored into the database. Next execution of project. Let's start execution. Log client log in by providing username and password. Client is new user. How to create the new repository by providing username and password. So I'm providing the name, IP address of the system, username, password, and login by providing username and password. Username and password is correct, you can log in into the panel, and log generator will generate the log file and will forward to the log client. For that, how to execute the log generator. The log generator is already registered, means you can enter by providing username and password. If you want to new generator, means you have to create the new repository. That is the IP address of the system and username, password. Username password is already exist. It will show the messages already existed. Repository created. We can provide by providing username and password. And log generator will open the log file and will get the file details of the log file. So it can open the log file here and get the log file details as file name, created at an existing, type of the file, size of the file, location and field name. You can save the details to a database and send log file to the log client. For that, how to select the received path for the log client. So I'm selecting the path as log client and starting receiving. and load the log file to the send to the log client. File transfer successfully. So, and log client will extract the file details and will generate the tag based on the access log. So for that we have to open the log file and get the file details of the log file and store the details into a database. Details such as file name, data type and size of the file and location of the file. And next we are generating the tag such as first we have to read the log file here, and we are generating the tag of the file and saving the file details into a database, and the tag will be generated based on the log file. And next we are encrypting the file. First we have to read the log file and getting the tag which is generated already and encrypt the log file encrypted successfully. And while storage, encrypted file will store into the log cloud. So we have to execute the cloud. For that, how to select the received path for receiving the encrypted file. So I am selecting the received path as log cloud and starting the server, and I am sending the encrypted file to the log cloud. Transfer successfully, and then we are getting the tag of the file. For that we have to get the file tag. So now we are selecting the received path of the log cloud for receiving the tag of the file and start receiving. And now I am loading the file tag of the log file. And we can close the client side, and then file received successfully, and then we are forwarding the file into log monitor. For that we have to execute the log monitor. The log monitor is already registered. We have to directly provide username and password. The monitor is new user. We have to create the repository for the monitor. So we can directly log into the panel. So we have to create the repository with the IP address of the system, username and password of the monitor. Log monitor will receive the log data from the log cloud. For that we have to select the received path of the log monitor. Start receiving, and here I am loading the log file to log monitor. File transfer successfully. Then log monitor will review the log data details. Thank you.